With regards to the estate planning conversation, I would encourage anybody who has an asset, wealth, property, anything that's of financial value to start thinking about their estate plan, thinking about their wills and powers of attorney.
I've been with CIBC for over 60 years.
We had a longtime client of CIBC, Alan, who approached Solomon and expressed his frustration, his sadness, his need for assistance administering his cousin's estate. He was not a chosen executor. He took on the obligation himself, not knowing what was involved, not knowing what it entailed.
As there was no will and anything, and how could the bank help me out?
Because his cousin Brian passed away without a will, there was a process that needed to take place.
Alan reached out to me because he felt the process was going to be too much pressure on him.
And then he got me in touch with Marilyn, and we went from there.
We had a meeting with Alan to discuss executor services, in this case, agent for executor.
Make myself a trustee, so then I had to find a lawyer, go through all that process, which took 1.5 years.
From there, Alan did become the executor of the estate, and at such time, Alan did retain CIBC Trust as his agent. He wanted to sign on the spot. He just wanted to pass over the paperwork.
I didn't have to go to the house anymore because we were going to sell the house, the car, the contents.
He just wanted to just take that burden off his shoulders because he just didn't realize how much work was involved. He just wanted to breathe a sigh of relief, which we did for him.
Once I was put in the trustee, I got in touch with Allison.
The introduction of it is really letting him know that we will be there for him, right? I mean, he didn't know anything about estate administration, what's involved. So the beginning was just to let him know, what to expect and what are the next steps.
And Allison did a fantastic job and still is doing a fantastic job.
Throughout the whole process, as he continued to build his trust in us and felt the relief and comfort and his burdens were lessened, I felt the success.
I think the big thing with Alan is that he trusted the whole team.
He felt his decision to reach out to CIBC Trust for our services was right.
The option that clients have is CIBC Trust as a corporate entity to act as their executor. Yes, they can have an individual. However, people do pass away, people do fall sick. Benefits of a corporate entity such as CIBC Trust is that there's that continuity. There's that peace of mind that the testator will have knowing that their wishes are followed professionally. We take that stress and pressure off family members.
It is very, very hard. I don't think people realize what is entailed in everything. You need experts to carry on and do everything. I couldn't ask for a better group of people to help me with this estate.
He loved it. He loved the fact that we brought the best of the bank to help him through a very difficult moment, really. And Alan is now an advocate for CIBC Trust.